Yo guys, what up? In today's video, what I'm going to do for you today is teach you how to onboard your social media marketing clients. Let's crack into it. Alright guys, so we are on the laptop, so yeah, let's crack into it. So I'm just going to make myself smaller, put myself there, and let's have a look. Alright then, so how to onboard a social media marketing agency client. So first things first, send a contract via DocuSign. So guys, gone are the days where, if you got a restaurant owner, you don't have to go all the way over to his brick and mortar business and give him this, contract and have him physically, get a pen and sign it. You don't have to do that anymore. Again, nowadays we got so much software where again it's so much easier, so much simple for you as the agency owner and him as the business owner to actually send in the document via through the internet, via email. It's so much more easier, so much more simple. Again, it's easier, it saves time, saves money. Again, just get it over and done with as fast as possible. So just a few steps here. So sign up to DocuSign for free. So again, DocuSign is absolutely free. Don't have to pay a penny for this service, which is good. When it comes to contracts as well, again, I'll admit to you right now, I am no legal expert. I'm no finance guy. I'm not any of those. But I go to a website called Law Depot or Law Depot, and I get my contracts from there, or contract templates. And yeah, again, I just obviously I edit it, make sure again it corresponds to obviously what my current situation is or what I'm looking to get out from the client, and yeah, put all that information down. And again, it's so easy, so simple. And yeah, another thing as well, send the contract over to the client, have him sign it, and that's that. And this final one, send follow-up email if client has not responded. Again, you guys should not be in this position at all. Again, ideally, you should be getting him to sign the contract there and then on the call. Again, you shouldn't have to go, send him follow-up emails. Do it there and then. There's no, none of this back and forth. Get him to sign up there and then. Simple, easy. All right, number 2, send invoice via Simple Invoices. Again, Simple Invoices is a very good, very easy software. Again, I like to basically integrate it with my Stripe. So again, when it comes to getting card details on hand when I need them, again, it's just, I can set up basically recurring direct debits with it. It's so easy. Right now, I'm having a bit of a dispute with them, with them withholding some money from me. So right now, I'm currently using Square, which is again, it's basically the same thing. Again, it's just as easy. I can basically set up direct debit still and create those reoccurring payments. So just remember to follow in. So social media details is what you'll need as well. Ideally, you need to get that on the call with the client. You need cards on file for obviously invoices. You need card on file for paid advertisement as well. So just to run through it. So obviously you're going to need his social media details. So again, ideally get him to add you as a admin or a moderator. Again, this is basically just a screenshot from my own Facebook page. So yeah, get him to add you as a admin or a moderator. All right then, so obviously you need these card details on file for the paid ads. One thing I advise is, again, keep the payments for your admin fee and the payments for the ads separate. Again, you don't want them to be added together. Again, keep them completely separate. The good thing about Facebook as well, again, you can get the business owner to basically put in his card details. So again, he doesn't have to actually give you his bank details. He can input it in it already. And again, all you have to do is, again, when you need to pay for the ads, again, it just comes out the card that's obviously on file already. So card on file for the invoice. Again, when you send over the invoice, so this is basically a screenshot from Square. Again, obviously the bank, let's say, for example, the bank details are, on hand, on file already from the invoice that is sent over to him already. And again, with this, obviously you can set up your reoccurring payments, as I said already, the direct debit. So yeah, that's basically it. It's fairly simple. Again, you want to make things as easy and streamlined as possible. Another thing as well with the payments, again, just think about it, with a business owner. Again, the last thing he wants to do is, making manual payments, because when he's making those manual payments to you, he's probably thinking, is this service really worth it? Should I really keep paying for this service every month? So again, it's best just to set up a direct debit. Again, as I said, you got Square, you've got Stripe as well, and again, that's the two services that are, in my opinion, are the best. But yeah, guys, that's really it for me today. Again, if you've got any questions, if you need any help, by all means, contact me via, obviously YouTube, on Instagram as well. Quite active on there. And yeah, that's it from me today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, peace out. Bye bye.